Hi everyone, welcome back to IC Network channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your THETA token in your Ledger wallet because many of you guys ask why it doesn't show up in THETA in Ledger account and how I can send it back to THETA online wallet. So if you guys see it right here, in your account, like in Ethereum, it shows that the 0 Ethereum, and you save your Theta in the Ethereum wallet. So you don't see it right here. What you need to do is you need to copy the address and just paste it right here. That's my address, my Ethereum address. So if I check, it shows that that 6 Theta is stored in this address. So how I can send it this one because you are not seen right here. So how you can send it back to um, to your online wallet. What you need to do is you need to go to SETA website first of all and go to wallet. Instead of open your online wallet, go to hardware and connect your ledger. By default, it select this one. So just go with the select like a default one, continue, and it will show that you can make a trust on this one. So you need just yeah, right here you need to like a touch or press the button in your Ledger wallet, so it will show you the addresses. So which one is the right one? The one you see the theta, the first one, and you say access my wallet. As you see right here, you can see your theta right here. That I have a 6 theta in this wallet, so you can go ahead and send it this theta to any address you want. You can put your if you have a Binance global account or any global account that stores SETA, or you can still send it to Coinbase, but you cannot trade it in the Coinbase, and you can send it to online wallet. You need to go to right here and create the online wallet. You can go ahead, create the okay, sorry, create the wallet. You just need to set a new password and download a key store. So you can send it to there to anywhere you want. So that's the way how you can send it to you can send it to your SETA wallet to any other wallet. You need What you need to do is just um, go ahead and click the hardware and select if you have Trezor or Ledger. So select the right one and connect your basically you connect your hard drive to the online website, online wallet, and you send it from there. So I know many of you guys had have a question how I can send it from Ledger Live. No, you cannot send it from Ledger Live. So you need to go ahead and connect your wallet to setatoken.org, and from there you can send it. I hope you guys like my video. To see more videos and more tricks about the cryptocurrency, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the ring bell button to be notified for my new videos. Thank you guys.